Good evening and welcome to NYNJPA Weather, your weather source for the Northern Mid-Atlantic. I'm meteorologist Stephen DiMartino. The main focus for this evening is going to be severe weather. We have a severe thunderstorm watch issued until 11 p.m. for the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, and showers and thunderstorms are rapidly developing over central Pennsylvania and central New York that will impact the Northern Mid-Atlantic this evening and overnight tonight. Let's take a look at the radar picture. So here's our radar picture, and what we can see here is thunderstorms are starting to develop and organize over central Pennsylvania. These thunderstorms are going to have the potential to become very intense this evening, and the reason why is because of what we call a low-level jet streak. It's basically an area of wind that basically is in the mid-levels of the atmosphere and enhances lifting, and some of those strong winds can mix down to the surface, which creates damaging wind gusts. Wind gusts could exceed anywhere from 50 to as much as over 70 miles per hour in the most severe thunderstorms. Now, right now, I think the worst severe weather is going to be focused over northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern New Jersey, the Hudson Valley, and northern Connecticut. Locations to the south and east of those regions will still have a potential for severe thunderstorms, but by the time the thunderstorms reach the northern Mid-Atlantic coast, especially New York City and Philadelphia, the instability in the atmosphere will start to decrease because the sun is setting. So yes, there's going to be a threat for severe thunderstorms throughout the entire region. However, the best dynamics should be focused a little bit away from the coast over northeastern Pennsylvania and the interior. As far as how long these thunderstorms will last, I think they'll exit the coast by 9-10 p.m. over eastern Long Island and eastern Connecticut. However, throughout this entire evening, even if you don't get a direct hit with a thunderstorm, you're still going to have to deal with strong wind gusts from outflow boundaries. So just be careful if you're going out this evening. Be prepared for at least some scattered showers and some periods of heavy rain, even if you don't get the worst thunderstorms. The good news is that this is a fast-moving cold front. The cold front will be off the coast by tomorrow morning and actually will start to weaken in what we call wash out. And as a result, the high pressure system that is currently over the Atlantic will regain control over the northern mid-Atlantic. And in fact, what we'll get is a return to very warm conditions once again. Now, tomorrow is still going to remain relatively cool with temperatures in the 70s. However, by Friday, Saturday is going to get very warm with temperatures returning into the mid to upper 80s, possibly hitting 90 degrees in parts of Philadelphia before another strong cold front moves through on Saturday. Then after that, well, we have an area of low pressure that develops over the plains. Now there's a question as to whether or not it's going to sit over the Tennessee River Valley along the coast or further west over the Mississippi River Valley, because Model Guidance is basically moving all over the place with this storm for Sunday through Tuesday. However, I would say this, that there is, at the very least, a threat of showers and overcast conditions from Sunday all the way on through Tuesday. And once the models start to iron out the details, which I think should start to set in by Friday evening, then I think we'll have a better handle on this forecast. It's just a matter of where this upper level low dives down. I think it's going to be more towards the Tennessee River Valley, so I'm keeping the threat of showers in the forecast. Thank you for choosing NYNJPA Weather as your weather source for the Northern Mid-Atlantic. I will be having severe coverage throughout this evening as the thunderstorms approach the region, including live coverage in the premium section and in basic. I'm meteorologist Stephen DiMartino. Have a wonderful evening.